Hello everyone, how you are doing? Guys? Welcome back to our channel, welcome back to our platform, welcome back guys. Today I am Chef is on the kitchen today. Chef is on the kitchen. We are preparing, I am preparing Ogbono soup guys. You can see the tazi, you can see the what is this called? You can drop it on the comment section. You can see the Ogbono, you can see the fish. You can see the goat meat, so fresh goat meat. You can see the pomon, crayfish. You can see starfish. You can see the bush meat, cow leg, shaki. This is what we are going to use to prepare our Ogbono soup. The pot is already here. This is the pot I'm going to use to cook everything, guys. Right now, I'm going to put the meat. I finished washing the meat. I'm going to put everything right inside the pot and wash it and then grind this Ogbono soup, guys. Just stay tuned and see how I'm going to prepare this delicious traditional Ogbono soup, guys. Okay, this will tell everything. Okay, watch out and see I'm going to prepare everything. Okay, this fish I just dried it. I smoked the fish. This is a smoked fish. You can see the goat meat. Oh my god, look at the fresh, look at how fresh the goat meat look like. Oh my god, look at the momo, look at how thick, very thick. You know guys, you guys know that I love it thick. You can see how thick it is. I don't know, just examine how the momo is thick. You will understand. Okay, you can see the bush meat. Look at the bush meat. You can see the bush meat, guys. Watch out and see I'm going to prepare all this thing. All this delicious bush meat, pomo, goat meat, fish, shaki, cow leg, starfish, everything. I'm going to prepare everything. Look at this. I don't know what is this called. I don't know what is it called. My wife said I should put it, but I don't know what is it called. It's called, I don't know. I don't really know. Yes, as I told you guys, the meat is almost getting ready. You can see the meat, the bush meat, the pomo, the goat meat, everything is right inside. Okay guys, just stay tuned and continue to see I'm going to prepare everything. Guys, oh my god. So guys, I've already made the Ogbono. You can see it there. Right now, I'm about to pour it inside the pot right now. You can see the pot of the meat right now. You can see everything. It's for me to pour it inside and see. You can see the Ogbono. You can see it. I will add it inside the meat right now. Right now, I'm going to mix everything together. Oh my god, I use left, guys. You can see it right now. Look at it. You see it? The soup is almost getting ready. Start. Guys, as you can see, it's too thick. I'm going to add one water inside. I will add one water. You don't need to use cold water. You have to add one water inside. Look at my one water over here. I will add all inside. Then turn it. Turn it. You know, when turning it, you have to be fast. You can see the bush meat. Oh my god, my bush meat. Oh my god, where is my bush meat? Oh, you can see the bush meat. Look at it. Look at the bush meat. You see the bush meat? Oh, the bush meat has cut into two. Anyway, no problem. No problem. You can see it. I have to add the bitter leaf and utazi together. Look at it. Look at the soup is too thick. I'm going to still add more. I'm going to still add a little water, one water inside. Look at it. This one is okay. Let me check it before we add my fish. Look at it. It's a little bit okay. Let me add a little. Okay. Right now it's okay. The water is okay. I have to add my fish, the smoked fish inside. You can see the fish as I showed you guys before, so that the fish can melt. You can see the fish. Now I'm going to turn it gradually because of the fish. You see, the fish have to go down. You can see. Right now I have to test it, guys. I have to test and see how delicious it is. Okay. Yeah. On point. On point. Before I will bring mine. Okay, let me use this meat to test it. Oh my god. Guys, this is delicious. Yes, we're on point now. Okay, I have to leave it a little bit. Okay, like this is okay. At least 5 minutes time, I will come and add my bitter leaf. Guys, the soup is almost ready. Right now, I'm about to turn it better. I'm going to remove my fish, one of the fish inside, because I want the fish to be untouched. I have to remove this fish first because I want to put my leaf. I can turn everything before we put the leaf. You can see the leaf right now. Look at the leaf. How to add the leaf. I've already washed it. It's okay. Yes, guys, you see the leaf. Oh my god, look at soup. Look at soup. Guys, are you seeing the soup? Are you seeing the soup? Look at the soup. Look at the soup right now. The leaf is already inside. The leaf is already inside. The bush meat is here. You can see the bush meat. You can see the cow leg. Where is it? No, this is the goat meat. You can see the skin. You can see the shaki, the cow leg. See all the cow leg. Everything is ready, guys. Oh my god. Don't miss this, guys. Don't miss this. I'm going to send you my address if you need my address. Look at. Oh my god. Yes, right now I will not put the fish back. I have to put the fish back. Okay, guys. Look at it right now. Sometimes you don't need, you can do it like this. You can do it like this. You don't need to be using spoon always. You can do it like this. It's set. You leave it like this for some minutes. Okay, guys, just stay tuned and see how everything is going to work out. Guys, the soup is ready. Look at it. I cannot even turn it. The soup is ready, guys. Look at it right now. It's ready. You can see everything. Look at it. It's ready. It's ready. You can see the soup. Let me show you with the bushmeat. Oh my god. See. Oh my god. Everything. Yes, guys. We are set now. We are set now. Guys, it's ready. It's ready. Look at it down. You see all the traffic, all the hold up, everything inside. I have to test. Oh my god. Bam. Guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. If you have watched up to here, please support this platform, support this channel, support. One love, everyone. God bless.